Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. U Bah Prestone Tensong Menteri Ubabad yakatna District Council Affairs DCA ulalum ya kajingelang bad kinong mikmat nakilai teliki Autonomous District Council ADC jongga jila Meghalaya, Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC, Janti Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC, Barkagaru Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC. U Bah Prestone Tensong la ong ba ka jingyak ran ka long halor ka jing pyntreikam ya ki song jingyarap jong ka 15 Finance Commission bala ai jingmut na ka benta ki ADC. Henry ulakdo ya ki jing ki ba ya day ba ki jaka ki ba hap hapo ki bor sunshar sor kum ka shillong jowai bartura ki ba hap ru hapo ki ADC ki jong ki hi. Shushu usumbut menteri ki skhim bala ai jingmut da ka 15 Finance Commission ki day ki ba phai khmat shaki jaka nong kendong. But shemla kado shai shapang ka jing pyntreikam ha ki jaka sor ka nikla wanra ka jing kulmar jingmut na marbun ki constituency hapo ki district council ki kentup ru ya ki jaka sor ula ong. U Bah Prestone Tensong ula pentim. Baga Sarkar Jilla minta kelapatha ya ketenat urban affairs bakan examin kumno ya kini ki gran. Ki bala tien bad ki bom tien. La ru ban penyar syaki constituency sor ki bahap hapo ki ADC. Ngila pelong ya kejingi kran ke babnya menta ke sengi berbaro lai teli ki district council berkitanat biadai berkani kentup ya ketenat penroy sor ke DCE berketenat platingka. Wala syem labu porti kena handai deputy chief minister ula kentu ya baro lai teli ki ADC bakin nekloi. Ngila ong yaki bakin treikloi kat bala namar ba ka pyntreikam jong ka Finance Commission ka ba khatsan kan kutno ha ubnai risau ar hajar ar penriu. Kidang sa satang katu kat ne benai ban shim kabu ya ka jingiram. U Bah Prestone Tensong ula pensyairu bagi jingia kren kidang ya syakman bat patla ban penbet ya ka hadu menta. Sngobha wat shim kum ka final. Kini ki constituency sor kila ban kentup kumbalai hadu sau teli hajawai, pra hadu ndu teli hashilong, bat sau hadu pra teli hatura, baru alai teli ki district council kila shim benta hakati ke jingelang. UCM ka KHADC ulapha ikinong mi khmat bat ki dekhot barang ba, bat ki officer ru kila ya don lang ulaong.
By the 15 Finance Commission to all the 3 district councils. But in between, we have a little challenges relating to the area which falls under the urban area. Because even the district council, we have urban area constituencies like Tura, like Shillong, like Juai. So what happened was, that schemes, that schemes recommended by the 15th Finance Commission. It talks about the rural area, which is to be implemented by the 3 district council, and it was silent when you talk about the implementation of the very same scheme in urban area. So ultimately, we had a meeting today. I discussed with all the 3 district councils and then with the officers, and we have already requested the Urban Affairs Department to walk out if something can be done for the urban area MDC constituency in the entire state, where they will also be able to get the so-called untied or tight fund as recommended by the 15 Finance Commission. So we have already decided. We entrusted now to the Urban Affairs Department, and I've already told also to the Commissioner Secretary of DCA to be in touch, and with all the 3 district council, I'm very sure we will be able to implement this same such scheme even in the urban areas from now on.
Any time frame fixed?
No time frame, but we have already told them to walk out at the earliest possible so that they can also participate, because you knew well that the 15th Finance Commission is ended up to March 2026. So we have left maybe only few months from now. So we have already told them that to walk out immediately and then make sure that this urban areas elected representatives also are entitled to get this recommended scheme, which was already recommended by the Finance